Wamama hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Laikipia hoye! Kituiche? Kiambu? Nakuru? Murang'a? Nyandarua? Kakamega? Na Busiaje? Mimi bila mmeambiwa naitwa Susi Kupa Msungu. Mimi ni secretary wa Kurut Sacco. Naenda kusoma minutes of the special annual general meeting of Kurut Sacco Society held on 6th April 2018 at ACK Imani Guest and Conference Center Nakuru, na ilianza 9 to 2 p.m. Members present as the attached list. In attendance, we had Frida Kizuku, who is our Cruise Kenya ED, Judy Kingori, by that time ndiye alikuwa operations officer Cruise Sacco. Agenda zetu za siku hiyo. We had number 1, preliminaries, introductions, opening remarks, chairperson's report, treasurer's report, supervisory report, member education. We had questions, Cruise Kenya anthem, speech from the ED Cruise Kenya, vote of thanks, and then raffles, lunch and departure, and then AOB. Minute number 1, preliminaries. We had member registration and selling of the Sacco t-shirts took place at the venue of the meeting from 9 a.m. to 9:30, facilitated by Susi Msungu and Rodesta Mudhui. Hannah Wachira, the moderator, called the meeting into order at 10 a.m. and she welcomed Chen Nyokabi to open with the word of the day, and Chen Nyokabi welcomed one of the members, Elizabeth Chepkemei Kibet, to open with a word of prayer. Minute number 2, tarehe 6 mwezi wa 4 2019, introductions. Hannah Wachira welcomed all the members present and the ED Cruise Kenya, and welcomed every member present to introduce themselves and mention briefly their dreams with Cruise Sacco. Minute 3, opening remarks. Judy Kingori kept the opening remarks by welcoming all the members to the meeting once again and explained to them why they were invited for the meeting and the reason for the special AGM meeting. Minute number 4 was the chairperson's report. The chairperson's report was read and is attached to the minutes. Minute number 5 was on the treasurer's report. Hannah Wachira welcomed the treasurer, Chen Nyokabi, to give her report. She briefed members on the loans taken and their repayment status, the current financial status of the Sacco, member registration, shares, and savings per county. She also briefed on the current budget that was proposed in 2018, of which the Sacco is currently working on. Minute number 6 was on the supervisory report. Elizabeth Mulandi, a supervisory committee member, gave the supervisory report briefly, where she mentioned that they have not been actively engaged in the Sacco and they have not yet held a quarterly supervisory committee, but will do so soon after the audit. Minute number 7 was on member education. Judy Kingori conducted the session whereby she educated members on the following. 1, mode of communicating to the Sacco operations officer. Share the official Sacco phone number, the coming website, and regular member communication. 2, what is required for the membership application forms and the loan forms to be complete, and how to get one. 3 was on credit policy. Number 4, different types of loans and the interest rates. And then number 5 was loan granting and eligibility. Minute number 8 were questions. Judy Kengori welcomed the members for any questions, and the question raised were answered adequately, and the following was to be reviewed. 1. The loan policy regarding the charging of the interest rates. 2. The presentation of the financial report needed to be more detailed. Minute number 9 was on Cruise Kenya anthem, and all members sang the Cruise Kenya anthem in unison. Minute number 10, that's Cruise Kenya ED speech. Frida welcomed the members once again and reminded them of Cruise Kenya commitment and her own commitment to the SACCO, since the SACCO is here to succeed. She also proposed that the sub-county leaders who are fully paid-up members should be placed in charge of the SACCO satellite offices, and that we do not necessarily need fiscal offices. This was seconded by the chair, Windrose Mwangi. She also reminded the members of the global fund of 6 million that was issued for 3 years, and that the time is almost over, and that we needed to stand on our own as a SACCO. She also made a promise that she will ensure that Cruise SACCO members are the first to benefit from the Cruise Kenya opportunities. Minute number 11 was vote of thanks. Wairimo Kanyiri, a member from Nakuru County, gave the vote of thanks and welcomed the members again to Nakuru County. Minute number 12 was on raffles, lunch, and departure. The winners of the raffle tickets were awarded. On AOP, which is minute number 13, was on self-guaranteeing. It was agreed that no member should self-guarantee themselves. And there was also a need for reviewing the loan repayment periods and the interest rates and their terms and conditions. Setting up of the insurance fee and its terms. Valuation procedures and CRB listing. And also the last one on AOP, no loan shall be made to any member in excess of 5% of the society's total share capital, and the reserves are by the society bylaws. There being no other business, the meeting came to an end, and the members were free for lunch and departure. The minutes are signed by the chair. No, we need to propose and second so that they are signed today by the chairperson and the secretary. Kindly, I will take this for the chair to ask for the proposer and the seconder.
Good morning, investors. We need to adapt the minutes of the previous AGM. Proposer, Jane Wanjogo, Laikipia. Mary Shimwanyi, Kakamega, second. Thank you.
Thank you, members. Now we can react. We can have a session of reactions to these minutes. Kindly. Reactions. Madam Chair, it's like there are no reactions. Do we have matters arising from these minutes? It's like you are all in agreement on what was discussed during the previous minutes, isn't it? Now, back to our moderator.